You are connected to your remote machine. Everything works. Your screens, your audio, your inputs. Then you plug in your Wacom tablet and nothing. Your drawing app doesn't see it. Without USB pass-through, you can't pass physical USB devices through to the host machine. Your drawing tablets, space mice, game pads, fight sticks, audio interfaces, hardware authentication keys like YubiKeys, all stay stuck on your local machine, unusable on the remote one. Which means if your work depends on that hardware, remote desktop won't work for you. Luckily for you, Phaze provides full USB pass-through. Things like your Wacom tablet, MIDI controllers, DaVinci Resolve panels, 3D mice, gamepads, or audio interfaces work perfectly. We just limit things like printers, webcams, and microphones for now. Plug a USB device into your local computer, and Phaze sends it through the connection so the remote computer sees it as if it were plugged directly in there. This allows you to use your DaVinci Resolve panel completely remotely, or start drawing from anywhere with your Wacom tablet without needing any extra software. Do you use Blender or AutoCAD? You can navigate your 3D file with your Space Mouse. And you can even play games with full haptic controller support. Here's how to turn it on. Open up Phaze on your local computer and head to your settings. You'll see two toggle options: send USB device to host and allow receiving USB devices from client. Turn both of those on for now. Now jump over to the host machine you want to connect to and do the same thing. You can even do this while you're connected to it. Just turn USB pass-through on both sides. Once it's initialized and you're connected to the machine you set it up on, navigate to the Phaze icon, click Settings, and from here, toggle the devices you want to pass through to the remote computer. A little tip: you can press left Alt and left Shift and F9 to enable the on-screen overlay. Get started with a remote desktop that supports USB pass-through today. Head on over to phaze.app and download Phaze and sign up. And if you want to stay in touch and hear about updates, please subscribe to our YouTube and other social channels.